If I don't know, St. Luis Suarez cry. And Mahu, and let's come and play about cool. Or say, Odim de was on a jama, and Suarez scored.
Wow.
Or say, oh, fantastic addition to their side. He scored 2.
Yeah.
He scored 2.
Two goals, 1 assist in 24 minutes.
Yes, in 24 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, 70 first minute.
And Barcelona, so first half 4.
Yeah.
Ansu Fati was splendid.
In Barca game, Michelle first half New Year and I could die because Senya Barca for overload the left wing hono. Ansu Fati, Jordi Alba, and Clement Lenglet nya ball na no left. Unfortunately for Villarreal under Unai Emery or Mario Gaspar as a right back. Mario Gaspar was truly exposed. On Raul Albiol, Paul Lopez, and the left back, Osia Kanyema, my friend. In fact, Villarreal Lancasa defending no run so any. But you have to give a lot of credit to Ansu Fati. The finishing and all of that. The application was nice. The here me pa Messi in body language. Send your Messi bet me. Send your challenges off season and now just as the season ended or Sandy Biro Fax so Peso Jai team na downfall Luis Suarez call Atletico but Barca 4 ball more of a 4-2-3-1 Coutinho more shift or a lot more to the left, Antoine Griezmann to the right, Ansu Fati so no be left Hokakra but Messi there about false 9 false 10 false 8 baby a Messi but at the end of the day that first half performance was simply amazing, and I guess at this material moment it was it's a first game of the season. You will give it to them against a Villarreal side that but no. 9 shots on target as against 1. 9 shots on target as against Villarreal 4-1, and Abasa to me converted emu 4 into goals. So it means Villarreal just 1 shot on target, no goal. Dominant performance from the Kule. And what more can you say? But this is an Atletico side, Atletico Madrid team virtually, I think, the most complete side because of almost starting 11 or ball, Simeone ball, Jean Black ball, Kieran Trippier ball, Renan Lodi ball, Stefan Savic, and on board Brantia, your friend Felipe. Felipe is really growing into a top center back, and on board Koke, Saul, Yannick Carrasco on the left. And Obo and Hel Corey on the right, and Obo João Felix. In fact, last season, Diego Simeone Shewiasia Fanan, show Biabo, Sa Brantia friend João Felix in last season, Atletico for Bebo attacking football. But to me, who is into bones Atletico, I share goals are Bakupe. But in Rano, João Felix, Diego Costa combination later on, or the Marcos Llorente, we say La Liga, we have 5 changes into the Marcos Llorente. Or the Luis Suarez bem, or the Thomas Lemar bem, Vitolo su bem, and or the Abrante friend Luis Suarez bem. Emrantie numwe no sisada. Yes, already now Atletico for were in cruise control basically. But Usha said Abrante friend João Felix ball na. And flick and tense, Atletico the Ankian himself aggressive, direct, straight football. Omo fan yoma nyagro. But Emrantie no some entertaining footballer. For the very first time, I was Atletico Mrantiano, omo bobo bia, to say, and you make a crass bobo kono ashe, and I guess largely due to the fact Diego Simeone said this season dear, Obia who said near Abrante friend João Felix etie. Abrante friend Suarez bam in the 71st minute, to be very frank, you sampa. Tension kakraba because Suarez free bench basana na chese otum sampanania bre the header, the first goal header no Suarez the complete package the manage Suarez and it's a second goal no hitting side post na ball no sign penalty box any bro sans the tap ball no now sampa branch and any abrese Obenya results. So for Atletico to get 6 against a team like Granada, Atletico for no Enya Brepapa here. This season La Liga no, the for Madrid your coach called for a 4-4-2 formation. I guess the entire Zidane called for a 4-4-2 no against We also said that. Now me a preview now me call for a 2-2 score line. Now me challenge pa the entire me call for 2-2. They say Real Madrid didn't goals no. And again, Yasha here from said CVA last season. No, it's either Karim Benzema and our branch friend Sergio Ramos. And now Saturday Sergio Ramos to the CV Real Madrid. Yes, Magbatra Sanya branch friend Boyan Mayoral. Esi enya penalty. Maybe say penalty because all call from ordinance any yes or pia ball or changing the direction of the ball. But
it looks like Real Betis had no more so much confidence on between Madrid.
Absolutely, Betis ye team wa ukaya bakwase mua. In fact, Real Madrid last 3 games against Betis last season ewo Villamarin hona omushe 2-1. I wouldn't have been surprised. Sankombe to me very solid team. Mark Batra, Naber Fakir, William Carvalho, unfortunate Emerson almost right back here. So red card similar to a branch friend Andres Christiansen red card against him, my friend Liverpool, Chelsea, Liverpool Shire, 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper. Luka Jovic, didn't tell Luka Jovic and on Saturday, Zidane, my Luka Jovic, Bobini said, in Pempino says Benzema free box nimwa. Real Madrid ni player be all box nimwa, but me creative problems be into the night Luka Jovic, I can't see them. About 4-4 tomorrow of a diamond. Unfortunately, no, Yelusu, Tony Kroos, and Luka Modric, Bem, but game now, Sanya Isco in the second half. A result, I'm sure says Zidane. Well, you be pleased because at the end of the day, we pick 3 maximum points. Barcelona so picking it there. Yes, league national na points na no be pick significant results and Real Madrid the Villamarin. Credit to the team and I hope certainly they'll improve in other phases, especially in terms of defending. Many and J Senya, for example, William Carvalho go no share na. I thought say and Martin or the guard ne Casemiro number pressy and goalkeeper Thibaut Courtois. Yes, she says na short Carvalho ni bullet ni no and na power na bullet ni na short ni na was but I mean luckily VAR SA EBG team my friend of Real Madrid. In fact, weekend we ankasa no na surprises no dosu. Chelsea, West Brom. To be very frank, we all check it. Sanya West Brom for seeing goals na hagin. Chelsea 4-ball in a 4-2-3-1, quite a narrow approach. Internet was Marcos Alonso near Brentford and Reece James. Sir Mason Mount, any Timo Werner, ni Hakim Kai Havertz, no ebe shem fifth nisa na N'Golo Kante ni Macho Kovacic ni mujina echiro na ubenya Thiago Silva ni Brentford friend. It was a combination of Thiago Silva alongside Marcos Alonso, Reece James, and of course goalkeeper Willy Caballero. Kepa was on the bench. Now you see, Chelsea conceded first 3 goals. I mean, who said Kepa church Rasembu or church and in same watch will be on the bench. Open the beer do bejinamwa Yehudia or Shadai. But you see, Chelsea is true. I was say Edward Mendy there, and Muyano or more Emmanuel Eshe Games because Willy Caballero and Koye na Kepasun Koya, no problem. But again, in the 4-2-3-1, very narrow in terms of a more midfield structure. No, now I was say almost full backs in the court. It was more about cross. But unim West Bromwich Albion team here. So be attack you more, you attack them from the left. But again, Charles Obe you left wing hono, baby Marcos Alonso ni Timo Werner. But Frank Lampard the energy so you see the right one, the right channel into baby Mason Mount, Ubenya Reece James and certain times Ubenya said Timo Werner or Ben almost so there was an overload on the right wing for Timo and friend Chelsea. Timo and friend West Brom so no omo baomechi kakra omo yes omo defend it. In fact at certain points Krano Utumuso Marco for more of a 4-5-1. At certain points in this game me catch Chelsea in the West Brom game no Chelsea come for a 3-back, especially Thiago Silva and the Olivier Giroud no.
But Thiago Silva that mistake.
Yes, I guess lots of player now who apologizes it's his first game and all of that, but I guess a loss of concentration or J ball meaning say Jaribet Mayasha sa picture no ankasa that Thiago Silva picture no. Okay, so this Marcos Alonso first goal no. First goal at Chelsea conceded Marcos Alonso had the ball no ewura central areas no and head the nankasa de na nya de so ani inti ball no be di West Brom players no you had close to like 5 Chelsea players in there. Inti I think said Chelsea in terms of team defending na ya dia shedan so in fact omo build their play na nkasa e call Chelsea for area hono na Chelsea so close like 5 players within their own penalty box. So that's why I want to blame Willy Caballero because na was say Caballero etumi save this opportunity no na so if you player na still na Chelsea defenders
because Chelsea were numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6
absolutely the player had no option than to shoot or shoot na ball no akosha Willy Caballero. So na Chelsea confidence ne started say drop it and a second goal by a branch friend Thiago Silva. O say no see lusu ball na. Well, more can you say? Unfortunately, he was the captain for the side. The entire say a bad results. They say for Chelsea to come back in the second half, introduce Hudson-Odoi, have Mason Mount play so well, Tammy Abraham play so well, introduce Olivier Giroud, then go for the 3-back system at Chelsea. It produces a dramatic 3-3 draw.
A huge comeback.
Absolutely.
I know Naman say it looks like still the old boys are the most influential ones.
Absolutely.
So you are wondering, Timo Werner, with all the fuss, the buzz about him, he's not.
Saturday, me call for Timo Werner to score. I was just praying that Obenya go, but I think say we will take. But a bit Jim Rekakra. But I'll share Kai Havertz more demona. Chairman, I think say week after week we are seeing the best gradually to our brand improvement no air coso. In the second half, so share Chelsea game now. Chelsea goes eba on the right side of West Bromwich Albion for defending. No, in the first half, now Chelsea are attacking from the right. In the second half, Omu saw more attacking from the left. Into checking Mason Mount classic goal a Branty and share. O check a Branty friend Hudson-Odoi 1-2 or boy with Kai Havertz and also brilliant goal and a third goal Tammy Abraham boy I share and so I think it was Mason Mount and also a ball shot no boy no Brighton goalkeeper name to me anya hofia omo tapi ewo omo to me or to me tapi ya Chelsea to me nya sa equalizing goal no I think defending has become a problem. Chelsea actually no defend no ya there was omo but the mental fortitude say utumi 3 goals the head they saw bet it is akano into Chelsea there results I mean sure so many shada nyehu bebre but the point and say they had the equalizer and it's better to get a point than to lose all 3
of course
Chelsea for no
yes remember Christian so that
but Man City in Leicester game so there 2 things involved lots of individual errors and I'm sure say I was Pep Guardiola
the penalty by Kyle Walker was
amateurish
was silly.
Where's your Benjamin Mendy penalty? No, dear Brendan Rodgers here, and he said he sat deep, more of a 5-4-1. Omu close channels. No say Man City boys no ball no or the num 2 ne 4 in term 3 ne 5 in term into or defending with 5 players. This obey Rasa channels nim and omu close gaps no between the midfield and the defense. Internet they say Calvin De Bruyne about to make creative spaces. A biom no when any one of the or the Harvey Barnes and your brand no Valdi with a hat trick. Some rented wo America pa into the friend transition quick transition. Born up a diom hodia no more echo manim. But again, credit to Euro Talisman and your brand friend Mendy in central midfield. Or to be frustrated at Man City Mrantiano. But share goals, for example, Eric Garcia penalty on also our brand friend Jamie Vardy. Then you have a feeling, sir. I was Muko drama so. Unfortunately, now no pay na yati se Man City for akoto Ruben Dias. Oh goodness me, Ruben Dias the chairman. Omunya Vincent Company type of defender no. Van Dijk by Liverpool was sorti omu defensive problem. She Ramos, she obitse Piqué, she Juventus kwa obenya Chiellini we chiro oko AC Milan obenya Simon Kaya. Man City don't have that top defender. Otumia range chiro. Rodri ni Fernandinho suno. Omuntumi ntu America. Fernandinho enyini. Rodri si ye slow kakra. Inti enim hon ye sharp. Obo dia Brentford lem Depay. Delap.
Yeah.
Rory Delap ne bano. Odini bem around the 51st minute, but to me, a Brentford, yes, credit to Mahrez. Mahrez first goal in there, it was a top quality goal. But to me, Mahrez is a more false nine against a Leicester City sider. Obo Salah, the Turkish defender, and also so John Evans.
I think Amate even had a good game.
Yes, about John Evans and Madison goal. The sort of space. A Brentford the ball no free left corner man so he scored a brilliant goal on the crowd revenge the buy and obey a Brentford Dennis Pratt. So yes, Leicester for the very first time our manager Bienya 3 points on a roll. First time opinion friend Pep Guardiola conceded 5 goals in a league game. Statistics they also, but injury so how Kun Aguero is not available, Gabriel Jesus is not available. But Openya your friend Pep Guardiola defending it there. Eric Garcia and Nathan Ake combination way there. He's spent close like £350 million on defenders, but he still not be able to find a solution. I was saying here now.
Well,
yeah, fix it.
And the game, no,
okay. But but there's motivation for Arsenal. Say Arteta to Michel Liverpool now. Our Anfield will be the first time since Tom Whittaker in 1960. In 1947.
That is funny.
Hey, Arsenal. But chairman, in your bear me and Sabi. Jadon Shaqiri, El Nani in central midfield. Me sure so about 3 back. So you have Rob Holding, David Luiz, and Gabriel, because I prefer Gabriel to Kieran Tierney. No, I bought Hector Bellerin as a right wing back, almost Saka as a left wing back, because Saka to me here box to box, so in the area or energy or Sansu to me attack more like Alfonso Davids or Marcelo. No, I bought anymore. No, but between Willian and Pepe there. For this game, I'll go for Pepe. Teams ni mienu nyina use inverted forwards. Omo players ni nyano omo wingers no omo ra central omo ra infini. Edin Ketia certainly because like I said there, enya de obebo 90 minutes there the Ketia betumi abem. Teams ni mienu nyina obi press inti wa obe make mistakes bia no in terms of the press no obetumi benya trouble. Now the weakness here for Arsenal is a Rob Holding. I was saying no Hector Bellerin one papa because Sado man best and hono and Oyusu for Liverpool or mobile because Liverpool they in the 4-3-3 fullbacks in the corner space on Beja Wechirono a Hosun and Nicolas Pepe and so by so the last time Musha Arsenal about possession of 30%. 30%. Arsenal and on a Leicester 4 year and run. A tough game.
Scoreline number.
Star
3-1. 3-1 fast. Aubameyang to score 2. William to score 1. Liverpool then okay, I'm not the call so. Tottenham Hotspur in Newcastle after game, you know. Asked Bruce Wolf for Okase. New humble rule.
Well, I mean, look, we've got away with one, and it's fell for us today. If we're not careful, maybe we should all query these new rules and who actually makes these rules, and also the way we're now executing them as well. Because I thought VAR was going to come in for clear and obvious decisions. Now it's ludicrous, and it ruins for me the spectacle of what is the Premier.
Well, today we got from a home message. Was it local news? Lives matter. Oh, well, you have a local news, so don't worry. You I think about an hour and about 20 minutes more to go into relax it. Yeah, the local news. So, yade be bremo but answer na Christian remember also na what a weekend is been.
Say only
you say often and for ball 901
Mati
some ball 9 defenders and obi enya fifi from striker bakuti omo defend ya no mo boys
9 defenders na e no man range omo chiro 9 e wa chiro
omo tak omo nyina jomo anyway
but once America culture say Adebako have Manchester United over the years and they say they don't build over their previous season, and I'm very much afraid say e be start to omo.
Obviously, as a Wenger, share Liverpool Anfield. Song Van Persie scoring both goals.
First match.
How can the first match
manager to win his first game at Anfield of the season? We're at Anfield first time. That's the season I say. We're at Anfield. Akonya results. First game of the season. That'll be 1947 Amunya Sarah.
And then you say first when you come for Akonya results.
Yes, first match. First. 1947.
And
not Ghana independence.
And the Arteta will write that. It is the Arteta effect. And the Arteta effect. You need Liverpool about 2 in the last 2 months. Are you aware?
Yeah.
Yeah, we winning. Yes, and they are also.
Yetamochi.
One Taichi.
Yetamochi.
Say no team fans on the Taichi. Yeah, okay. Oh, that also.
Chamo, Manchester United about 2 games. The first game was against Crystal Palace, so conceded 3 goals. And the second game was against Brighton, conceded 2 goals. 5 goals conceded in 2 games.
Manchester.
I say United where they need to fix their problem.
Yeah, I'm saying, Jadon Sancho, I say, only going to associate in the top priority before the transfer window closes on the 1st of October.
Enra, Chamo, even though say omunyam fair 3 points of the season, you know. So we game ni ya 3 points and United didn't deserve it. Men kai game where boy ya 1 team hit woodwork 5 times. Brighton we hit woodwork no kwa maku 5. Abranja Feni Leandro Trossard and kwa hit woodwork no maku prensa 3 times.
And Tarek Lamptey.
In fact, they even had a goal disallowed.
Was
United had 2 goals that also via disallowed there. But statistics BBI indicating the game just said United had a 3 points that they did not even deserve. Chamo, Adebakwa be a constant feature in Manchester United games. Sama, you see them suffering. In fact, since our Manchester United games since I started since last season, United games from Bobiano. 20 penalties na bim 20 penalties
omanya penalty
sa 20 penalties you know Manchester United and them 15 and a 5 against them. So in a game Fabesha obi we are very disciplined. Our mount penalties so easily away like they did that like Brighton did and gave them penalties in the year. United will actually suffer. United bebre. Now the other how many say every goalkeeper must also see their own team nya ho adwuma no team work towards it. Chamo, David here say the penalty to Manchester United ho na say bobo na say David here the demo on team nchino 29 penalties was save only 2 out of 29 penalties just facing. United for one bet nya say o manya fair 3 points there. But the circumstances United they just 3 points enya there inspire hope. So this team can challenge for the title and probably even maintain their top 4 status of last season. Chamo Abrante Fen Lewis Dunk no obi se minim so kaina on goals since 2017. Chamo wa conceded 5 on goals more than any other player in the Premier League. It's United enya penalty abra game upon Lewis Dunk emomo an on goal, and that this circumstances United nya 3 points. Honestly speaking, say United are very careful. Last season tough from boy no. Me never very sure say United will play in the top 4. Paul Pogba, Bruno Fernandes, actually said they are not even ready for the league. And require Bruno Fernandes and that penalty away no. Leave much to be desired. Bruno Fernandes last season was so much influential for Manchester United. Benra, he had the game to forget. Brighton United take a winning game no. Was Brighton take 94th minute. Now United winning goal no. Ref yapon na VAR. Minim se weda to Manchester United no ni kombe kafa ho. Tamu ya pon. Referee ahweso si apon. Na VAR agi penalty. Amamo bobashe. And at this circumstance only anya very careful there. So Lusuna Juma Semendia because expectation very high on Manchester United. So when Timian fix these problems, na to also see there
the way Everton able, the way Leicester City able, like this, we push Manchester United out of the top 4. Early days there, but former Leicester City, any Everton, France, or more bonnet there. So United are not very careful. I am quite sure say United will push out of the top 4, and they need to rise up to the occasion. Chamo, for Leicester City, are you surprised?
Some statistics in the BSA and Manoship. And the chances are team who
last season, the first 17 games, Leicester were second to Liverpool. In fact, we bought 17 games, normally ahead of Man City. I did analysis just say, now, probably they could challenge for the title. Or man try challenge for title, they could play top 4. But among top 4 status, they lost in the last 17 matches. The last 17 games of the season, Leicester earned a point per game, 17 points in the last 17 matches. I heard Leicester City lose out of 4 status, but almost started very, very, very well. Chamo, and not just the 3 wins, the league table, 3 matches, 3 wins, they scored 12 goals. 12 goals, just say on average, 4 goals per game. I consider just 4. It's a team one, the way almost started there. So I'm going to moment to be twice to say, now. I think said this title, no, and as a top 4 stars today, they'll be in there. Menkai, the last time I started league, no, be fair 3 games. Was it 12 goals? The last time BBC here, 2013-2012. Yes, started 2013-2012 season, no. Man City, any Manchester United after the first 3 games, no, be as 13 goals. Since then, I been see that the next highest number of goals are Team Bienya. I brought about the first 3 games, Leicester City. Was 12 goals in the first 3 games. Amazing start. Adia can say, Ometimia twice wa etimida ko manim. But Jimmy Vardy chamo, the older he gets, the better he gets. On him say, and no, but the second hat trick against Pep. Pep Guardiola enye manager player etimbo hat trick against him. And for a player for the second time, bo hat trick against team managed by Pep Guardiola. On say Pep eba Premier League no. Jimmy Vardy conversion 8 goals. I think 9 goals. Now Jimmy Vardy as a player, I said Pep Guardiola in the Premier League, Pep by Premier League in 2016. In less than 4 years, after the 4th season, within that period, no, Brentford Vardy I said a 9, second hat trick, and Onya at Man City. But Chamo, come Man City there now. Sometimes you need to save them as a bit of credit. Now to me, excuse kakra. You are playing against Leicester City at Chamo. Pep any striker more game no. Onusa Aguero out. And Gabriel Jesus is also out. Into over game, Raheem Sterling, no recognized striker. And Raheem Sterling, Chamo, I am more effective. So Raheem Sterling, Ekati in from the left. I want Raheem Sterling, I am more effective. But for lack of strikers in Tino, Raheem Sterling, a ball as the Arrowhead main striker, Osia Karima Man City. In general, Man City, there was no better striker in the game. And Raheem Sterling boy. Again, on himself, Phil Foden, so no. Or both in central midfield are more effective. Enra or stay on the left. A hundred years, so about Foden in the entire 90 minutes, you not get the best out of the Foden. And even though so Omulusu game there, but a bit of excuse. But they want to be Saturday there. So when Timmy am fixing the problem there, Chamo won't say a Saturday game. I'm here lineup and said Pep Guardiola any defenders in any. There be a 4-3-3. Also about single pivot. Enra or double. Rodri and Fernandinho. For a manager who bought single pivot all his life, now a game or all double home there. It's just a back for no one believes so much in them. But even that, no be penalties in Chamo. Me game no. All the penalties considered were similar. Nime sanyina Vardy ebe show monim no ma foul no. We ebe show monim no ma foul no. It's like back for omum to get that no communication, no understanding whatsoever. Yes, statistics we that's one year.
This is the Arsenal you know you winning the match now. But Fauzan Miller H was Arsenal to win today. Fauzan say Hovering von Boss 7-2-1. Fauzan thanks so much. Christian is only 2 games to play Spy United and Casante. And then Troboga Fancy Leeds United won by 1-0. Well, it was good. Manchester bought a player solely to come and play penalties for them. Richard Fine. So then okay. But
Leicester City game now. So your boy Amate he played well. Amate recognition for a player for 2 years. On my first game, no available, but coach Nibo Ndidi as a centre back. I was worried for him as a Ghanaian. Ben Amati 90 minutes of boy say Amati are actually arrived.
Because of the game of boy against Arsenal.
Yeah.
I think
as I'm watching I'm on a tweet say some of these things happens as a player. Player will call off for 2 years. Now back about this kind of game where you need to keep your head up. Consistency in here from Amati. It is said the options available for Sika Kuno no endorse. Amati everyone there to us at this level there. I think say is a great asset to the national team. Are you not worried for Sheffield United?
Sheffield
last season on deny full. Almost 39 goals and considered 39. So far in the league, the only team on Sheffield is Sheffield. After 3 games, Sheffield in Sheffield. But you should be happy for Leeds United. Chamo, Umzada Medica complained about Leeds United. Said you come to the Premier League, your first 2 games, what's the 7 goals? I consider 7. But for the first time in the season, when you're on the 3 points, I keep on the first clean sheet. Marcelo Bielsa, a coach, as what Tibencha. Unim say or a tactical genius. You know say wait my baby. Well, it's not keeping the first.
Samojan tweet, Samojan say patience, character, and positive attitude is an important aspect of this our trade called football. It's been 2 years. Welcome back, bro. Keep your head. I thank God for your life and career. And Daniel Amati. Well, Amati had a good game against Manchester City. And they won. That is a big plus for Amati. And so, when Arsenal ball against Liverpool. Now, you hear him say that Teta effect will be enforced. Then. Columbus, Ohio is also pure. Daniel Suman, thanks so much, Daniel. And so, I'll say, the English referees are lucky. Their bogus officiating didn't happen in Ghana. I am sure by now their wives would have been roaming in town looking for Angel Fetchy Keke ointment. Okay. There's a omonam nyinabe omoya. There's a kebabu omono. Asama akokulabi. And so no. All right. Ohinibe free da kwasi. Yes, Kofi. Correct score. 3-1 for Arsenal. Okay. Daniel I'll say with this prediction you will win bet today. 3-1 no. But Liverpool for no more. Okay. Sika Kono and other Black Stars management went to London to speak to Tariq Lamptey's parents to talk to them about the son. But boss, guess what? The father refused to meet them because the father said when he wanted Tariq to join the Starlets, I said when he wanted his son to play for the Starlets, they asked him to pay money. He paid all right, but they still did not pick him. So the father doesn't want anything to do with Ghana. Okay. So Bokoma State is pure. 80. And then no. Obi, this is news coming up. Now, and say Tariq Lamptey no, the entire ne papa no. Oza manfo busa say abranti a wasi akan. Ama if I don't have Brighton over Biona. Yeah. Good player, quality addition. Absolutely. And then Tiama manfo go busa say Eti Tariq, eno mi uze busa that busa say eti madam say Rhys James ya de Tariq. Na question ebi busa say Tariq Chelsea let him go, of course 3 million per return Brighton. But the level at which he's playing at. Also winning under penalty for them, right? Yeah. Last weekend. A fullback and a fullback who is always in the opponent's penalty box. Yeah. Today for busa I don't know Ghanaian Chinese nyano. But reports say, reports say, Sika going to call London when the officials going over so much Tariq. A meeting was arranged. Sika no got na home more train. Tariq papa ma. Wow. Tariq Lamptey ni bibia ni papa. Ni bibia ni papa. Ne papa na unko. Papa de Ghana ni. O ye Ghana ni. Omni papa ne kasai. But the go play so Bamba arrange another meeting. The second meeting, the father failed to show up. And to win F home come be koso. And I say penny ba oka say papa no mom blame no kase. Na papa no aye complain at chess up penny no pen. Some maybe no person Tariq Lamptey bebo under 17. Obuti.
You me tie pa chawa.
Under 17 no. You be saying ska.
It's normal. You see the problem is normal. Yeah, very normal.
I mean, some G's can also.
Yes, I drop you. Scan the beba. Akula no be.
Enti papa say no say obetika na dinkra. Say wo de ne ba na kwai. Asem kesi
is a big challenge for our football, especially at the under 17 under 20 levels. A hono there unyaye coach there minim say I don't know.
I don't
think on bet 140 players, 150 players, 170 players. No mass. In fact, the last time minim so much as Sakra I have to double check what pram. As a last week Black under 24 tournaments no more or Togo no and Benin, yes, one of those countries. I'm say next month, very early next month. They still have 50 players in camp. In Sikano Obetua, all right, but minim dear I don't say the power. I didn't know dear why did you know so Marcolanebo? And it's so normal with our football. It's so normal.
That is wrong.
Absolutely.
That is wrong. It's normal with our football, but it's wrong.
Very wrong.
And Joe Baton say that is the normalcy, the crazy normalcy. Yes, the crazy normal idea of Wako Room.
Yeah, say,
crazy normal. Hey, crazy normal. Say, Accra, what talent? You have to take money. And some normal opportunity. Now the sad thing is that you even took the money and did not even give the boy the opportunity.
Absolutely.
So now Ghana you hear the services because of course himself we've been fighting to get it right back. Now me adum young guys we say from coach personal trial. But look at the level at which Tariq is playing.
Yeah.
Now because of the stupidity of one single individual. I'll call it stupidity, mention the quote, because it is stupidity. Or you Ghana ni na so o deserve so Black Stars enti obi ani ma me ton koko a obobo a on the die etua na so on the ball man
mobi ball no dey yen frɛ okra na wako camp. You see the problem in this country is that the most talented footballers e Kumasi akra no omo na omunim ball ni bono omo so magazine omo PZ omo bebre na crisis omo na mutwi boat ni Uber no. Boys on boy national teams, no, they were not the most talented. And don't think a coach we buy or say they say envelope players.
Yes,
Jay Sapo. It's the new normal. It's
players now by envelope players.
It's so normal. Chairman check it under 17, under 20. Check maybe a players need to be free. Yeah, Tunsa Frey under 20 players. Man, Premier League coach. I can say. Players na actually say Bright Kankan Boadu, Amakom FC, or Nimbe be as a player ni free ba. But they are registered with certain teams by the different names and Akoshao. Your national team collapse nedia. I think it's a general continental problem. Mbappe. That's why go Cameroon. Ono kradi enyame e sane be and he said Cameroon for years ne papa first camera. Anyame aduma wetumi akopie the French national. He's not a World Cup winner. He's not a big boy. Inti yeah no I think say yeah na the behwe and you know you're sorting and you don't have selfless people working. Inti national team akwenya no a time to make it. And a lot of coaches have made it through this process.
Christian, now it is likely Ghana will not get that boy because of Obi some no di. So Ebina Eka Mbappe. Mbappe wanted to play for Cameroon.
I don't know more.
Yes, Cheska.
I don't know more limited to just football. All facets of our life. Sanity.
You say Sani amana ye.
Sanity. Me have personal experience. After university, na me hear appointment to baby.
You told you to pay money.
Material application letter that control BBA CV ni qualification intact. Me call office. The man told me say na appointment here twam me call office on a Tuesday chamu. Na appointment ni be twam the following Thursday. Do you know what the man told me? Me nko na me mra the following week Monday. Na some no na appointment twam. Missy for me catch me to do what was needful. Chamu, I went back to the office, did what I was supposed to do. Chamu, me universal catch me. Also, let them cry and come so come next week, will be the do I say. My man has met me the Yamawa. Within 5 minutes, I had that letter. Within 5 minutes, I did also mean come the following week Thursday, Me see from because Kokoya Mambreno. Me ya mamre. In 5 minutes I had my letter. In 5 minutes.
And also boa bonin man course.
My moi come da so come away. My moi, oh yeah, so say that's the major problem. Odum say so many players they don't wish to pay. Obi kwa believe they should not pay. But I'm one tia, obi be tia kwa jaw. If you decide not to pay, obi tia ho kwa jaw. Nipa na apply no be a qualification, obi a qualify. But obi tia one tia. Ntize onyamo the same qualification, no obi tia no one tia, ye never hwan.
And the system seems to be accepting it.
The system is what is encouraging that. Senka system na bomba dey to stop na, can no one will be willing to pay. Kobi antia. Ba nya no ma, usu untia no. Uni efe chira ko tia kwa jawo.
Then even for somebody to be a parliamentary candidate, they pay money. That is the system I create, and it's so bad. Na many aboafo.
Na the FA kura kopa abai see metro abam new as FA officials. Where people not pay money to get elected.
Yes.
Where people not pay money.
Yeah.
Some catch was a year juma, ya need Fred Papu year juma. Somebody called me catch say oh. Omama contest in there. The best person to lead the FA was Mr. Fred Papu. But onya. Mr. Sade was ontia. Fred Papu doesn't pay into win.
You say omunya comes. Only plans na ko Ghana football and get power. Oba only can say we are no sorry.
Now, some players if they pass through this home system, get to the Blasters and you preach patriotism to them.
They will take money.
What Jiniska? What the bribe? As a player, no man under 17. Under 20, what Jiniska? Or mature we now so mobile blaster there was still on vanche.
Patriotism.
Sometimes you also must understand where the players have come from. Until they demand what is due them. What Jomuska from all the systems throughout now Jomuska. Into the Bob Blaster we no mature we now if you hear na the oji any nyina no the betika
Cabo magic. I quite sad and we are hoping that we can change the system. We have to change the system. Well, the 30th of November in Ghana, a Premier League, season, the Ghana Football Association President Keto Kreku, I was some words. Or say, Obia supporter, this will be an amazing season.
I'm glad that I think almost all the clubs are hitting. This is positive. This tells all of us that we are yearning for the sport or for our game to come back. And we believe that with your support, we will have the best ever football season. If we say to ourselves that this season will be the best, believe me, it will be the best. If we say that we are going to contribute towards the repositioning agenda, if we say that we'll contribute towards preaching the gospel, that yes, so you're born, it is possible. So please, my asking and my plea is that let's believe in ourselves. Let's believe that we can create products that will be interesting and that people can be happy to be associated with. And once we have that belief, we will collectively and as individuals work towards it. I think together we have preached.
Alpha President Keto Kreku and Ode Sa words no Emma football for the well, I'll say I have to pay bribe before I was handed my own birth certificate. Ghana. I thank God my next generation will never have anything Ghana tag to them. Richard Fye. I'll say that's why I didn't blame the Black Star players when they held the nation to ransom in Brazil for their $100,000. Those players were charged during the under-17 stages. Fauzan Miller HT. And I also my query because say Papse was and is still the right man for Ghana football, trust me. Well, and a few of the message. And that's why the players also after becoming rich, they don't remember their coaches. Okay, but we say who coach Wajinska? Oji never beska. And one opportunity. And what go do highest level. And when yeska. I say, oh, player me kwa na mboa no man here kesi o female. Now Oji niska over there few. Let's say it wasn't genuine development. One genuinely. And only asem no. O dey I Jack Brave Fred BYT any dale pon here Ashton Saba no so go pure. But asante ko kwa so here. Saying it here, remember Kotogon Samno, but Prosperous and I do Swakasafa, season I Yababi Remuno, and the Yomohe, say clubs, no, it was a Omoye, and so.
You will lose the points. Last year, we condoned and we helped clubs. This year, it will not be like that. So if there are clubs who do not have IT people or any person assigned to select players, to even check yellow cards and things like that, we are evolving. You see, we are late because every time we go with what we call poor man's mentality. If you are a leader and your plans or your actions are all based on the weakest in the group, you will never progress. But now that approach is changed. We are going with the people who want to learn and people who want to progress with us. So this one big training, very soon, if you don't learn this, you cannot transfer player. We've all seen it. And some of these things are not coming from just Ghana. It's from FIFA.
Prosperous Nado say this year, almost so biaso. Also team bianya IT department. Now mo share transfer matching system ne side many nyina. Ejaba from no. Obasa yellow cards ne side nyina. There's software you use and side nyina betime. Over the last year, you mu J teams be, but this time you lose points. Tomo catch obi the season na you rem no. Almost so sad news. Also free omo if FIFA aswe ena eba. Kumasi Asante players and LB and then no COVID-19 test.
Okay.
Na yate say team no be start training on Wednesday.
Okay.
And I am ponsa obemiti technical team nene.
Okay.
On the way forward because Kotokoba Africa no be sabo league no.
Okay.
Emmanuel Keke ene you Mubarak. Almost report saying and say omo ebeye omo medical nyame aduma ene. Yes, so on Babe go players answer.
Okay.
Now, Unze Lenkle Stadium is also a man facelift kakra for Africa. No? Because also about Africa. Now, I was saying, answer to Takogo from Pong. I'm a team, no, over 50,000 Ghana cedi for SAR renovation works. No? Now, I don't see chief, so you have to say, I don't see any like Joby Miti champion, the supporters, no front, no Yami Admachna.
Okay.
On the palace, no team united, because I ask go to Africa, also Munina and Echo. COVID-19 testing nyako no konkwana ene Karela enso be omo de ene na Karela on new bus no on the new bus be omo so new bus be omo so prepare there esita omo ye Karela bus you be yam worry
wow
so omo brandy and obi
in fact Karela they have a brilliant leadership a lawyer man than SEO well near lawyer man
yeah
can you imagine say lawyer handle ejuma there no sampa any bre
passes no so afu so Helegon City for Basia.
Oh yes. Other teams also branding no more than very nice. It looks like they say some of these things you get professionals involved.
Yeah.
Also branding yes seven predators about time go pinti bibia. What you say? Inti you get professionals involved. I don't know. CA Gemfio say welcome to Ghana. Also a country where you pay money to get electricity meter. Ube meter.
I had charge you.
I had charge you. So be the juice gas on your mouth. Okay, young Claudia, you remember Kotogon Samno so but young call bright about Taylor say na yen BYT. Hello BYT.
Hello Tamu.
Na boko there.
Me ba to Tamu bi boko.
All right. BYT say ehin na wo boy nkomo.
Social America said, mene a darling for yes, a probonati at the park on the Yadom Park, Nichim. Now, Samu, you do one of them. Not at the Uka Park and Sedia, a car park, answer. And a car and Qua and our party, our fitness. Nana and created ball, and a good tea, not what one of them in foot. Now, under a one solar, and a baby, and a yet singing, a yes, after so. Apart from the community Nankasa organizing tournament, normally, as you can and so. If you go through, no, yes, park ready on Monday to a morning on Bala Bay, you know, I said, I found you know, this part, then I expect. But I still see an almost a woman or me young years this year, next year, and chances, you know, and it's going to be a battle. And you get in Ghana and come from Kakano say, baby, and not. Man back so bad, I know what's training. And your friend also say that you are going to far. You might be able to know, or maybe any bar review society. Now, that's so much money kind. It's Miana number. na me na bon komo ma na so de number for ma ne na ga wa dan for Isaac na the number by na Isaac so see ai on so black atenti ka beti an so bi o tina on so tia sia ye ama bibia so tina ko so ba park na de ukọ so bibia ni wa ko bia you say project bia fe o ne mom ye den kwa bo ma no ba fe e bia pe ye ba be timi next year no on be che bibi sa afe so e wo park no so ba se o mu nyan sa ase nom do mbo mo ball de o mu ni atembia so e ka e wo ho for now nti ye ready me say Isaac number no yen sa ka no ye be say ye tire na ene so yes me e dia ba yes aba abe start here me tire aye Asante New Town na do tire mu ade a minim chamo one videos no
I therefore already live on Facebook at the video network Abe Spark na obi enie Christian saying it here Omayeno of course that's straight of all right very beautiful but enye about 5 aside and on see on down on see ono stores and on my see the other park in the casino no mapum what I say in the see store near yesi and no store no kwani tintini watching football size no pitch the size from store no adie no and on nti BYT to us right
sabo unka Abe Spark die no ene odwani etemu e kona bi adama wa kai ya former player Edema Ghana Starlet and after Kotoko Bo Azaka speaking price and the committee. Ije ono na sisi amkatoye vice chairman ewo eye Mesia eye South Africa. Atoti akoye kato one acting chairman ankasa no a vice and chairman ankasa ni ono na ejinam. Ono so ya contact no e ma o ka sisi e ka se do office. Dan komo no e ho abade be o se man me na oni esu di committee ya hu production. Enso so ewo akire a no so no ebi wa na security former footballer our Ghana say ono na oda ehwo so anu a obetimi di ntiemu kakra say oh na o ma be si ansa na ya park no ana say o standard no mu nya na e be le bi na side o mi fa be kan na say ene titie enso ewo ho na o ba sa ha de ndia on the Abe Park ni sa da na si wani mu nja fence no na ewo ho dada ana ewo kakra no ewo ho na o sa ba park na hu so na kamera say ye ja space bebre ewo akire ana baby so hwe efase a ya ni playing ground ani enkora na be titi show eso so akire ya tv can be enkora na ba aba be dia grow nte bi a agudie no no ene bi o ma aja sa space bi dia man kwa na yan say we space da ke be to pull no akwa akire kakra ama enu atia ya wide ama length ne ne breadth ni na ye tia che enso dia ba wo be bi dia se ya na de ke ye be tia che dia ba kwa no ho kakra kama because space ni so and I read you now for next year oduani atrim also so ewo asan ku emetre nko mmom na ha na won say no so nke beti akwa tire kakra also so ama dumade no so tmai kama na mom ye ntuma nya ta na samo mata akwa confusion anya abranti a ono na park wo reso eso number eji amene ne ka so mentia palace ebi nkobo ka tenti yam panse akire BYT line no when was an sana come here bibi o ha wala chevo so dey Saturday ne share bono ya say communities no purchase nyina no ya gia to ho so ne ahwe say adwumadi no and call Ashdown when na BYT ka no say always space is dead and chene area no be che biem kakra na no kwa achi kakra ni bibia but whichever we say now kwa o my way five players one goalkeeper at the 5 aside and 6 aside and na omo so but Crowd here don't park in the you say omoye so omoye Manchester derby this one omoye 11 it even if so we wo ho omonya nti you be say no do I to go rich no say almost suspended that project almost suspend because Manchester is almost play and we are hoping say ebekoso ayese ya na Manchester team are standing up normal impression when you for normal 11 the normal football pitch size no na yetimi aye nti BYT kamo nti emi boy na o he so letre o ba so bi tia ka o so na o so sana na nti ya bi so ba so ball na bi e tima this mo register with you 100 Ghana and sana mo tinya da opportunity abo ball enso e park no so na na percent ye tribune na ti sia no 1-on-1 na nsama omo kana se ni di nkomo se no kasa e bi o wo sia no ntimi ni nkasenti ye ma na kasenti ni sa kan contract ni se be di we duma ye pa enso di sa so he party so ti akwa na nene eye o se kojo captain kuma primo abo kotoko anti wo se kojo goalkeeper players be bire di ti sa no ko sa ni tuga mu na ani omu ti aka ko kumi nkamo ani players aka omu nya e contract ma omu tin ko mu be pa creation ko mbaba ni omu na enso so atimi ali program no wa bra nanka o be pa live report o be ti ya mo ma no ba te bia akodi na djuma mu a omo ta fan na pe omo tebre no mo so akwa ye na sa part we hu djuma de no omo so di omo agime ta ha omo yi pa tabu.
Okay, Taylor, yada sibiu ne darling Paul mabo djuma damase eno no enti yakọ yanka ne keke obi said ye kan no ye wram yakọ ho ya bram videos of it ya the pictures so aka ho. There's the current state of Ashton. In Ashton, pictures are home, you know, credit yard on the Abbey's Park, no, and no, any rema, yadi, and also a home and some, and so abandoned. Today, say, and some no, dear tier, and no, Andy Cassia's way, bra, na, eva boafono, and so a home some, we are, there's a black and and so a trasso, ediama, a tier for. Or to be if you coach under 17, under 20 in Ghana, and you don't buy easily gone house, then your family's gods are against you. Just say you know na lucrative. Omo coachy your youth teams, you know, they seem to get a lot of money. Because statistics are almost survey, you know. Say omo mo amano ni nyina no, and I think it's a plus. I also
absolutely.
Also about omabasopa
sponsorship drive ni nyina no gina the numbers. I was say sponsor ni who say o supporters now o kano omo dodo e say nti yes or more in terms of trying to woo in and omo the sponsors be ba no adwumadi ni the commercial manager ni CEO no ma here, but project with the foundations of everything positive within the club nti manya kwenya Kumasi Asante Kotoko proposed, you know, sponsorship packages nibi or send their command institutions nibi. Just in nche na no moton sleeves ninche training ground skates nibi bia no mo ton. But prices in the was kakra. But ninyi I guess negotiations because so a brilliant package na Kumasi Asante Kotoko management no. Omo de some of the top institutions and corporate institutions. More memoir. You are just hopeful, say at the end of the day, you know, Nina no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetumenya na sika omo share ni musomba invest into the club no omunsa etumi aka.
That's a Ghanaian construction firm be from Norm Company Limited. Omo ena Kotoko eni omo wiya so ngwa koye Adokoja project no. Na the tenant say ene Monday ya ne ya ena omo ko Adokoja akọhwe asase no ne onsem na the omo yen so say container modification is our adwuma omo yen no ese panyin no ye fa no air banking Kosimante omba be ultra modern training complex. I say it's expected to be completed in 3 months.
Wow. Yeah.
3 months.
CEO share boss 90 days. Na Kumasi Asante Kotoko enyasa new ultra modern training complex no. The issue about the under 17 squad my senior or Prempeh College akomia was sending me message say onim player bi o ash gold and wo fa ton a taxi. And now omudiko tuya ya ansa na akola na fan under 17. Enti
oh, not no yes sir.
Enti eba sa issues we na Ghana for be brave one semka. I say we tuya etumi run national team no. Achama u junior or cast Michael Kusibuati or New Jersey. Auspicious. Or tie jumedi no say menchiao. Oni Kwame Duodunia Purdue organic chicken omutie. Inti enche bia beto di bia beba na ba be Tommy accounts mu first Tommy accounts mu
account mu dey say
na dia fa high kra
bago buy
no say me hunzu kakra o
so it is a mono and the me ni andi ni ewu
David the chance o man to din na me say no dia coming promise free home and pass them
now let's come go I the man so bisa
was it today?
I didn't know why. So why she?
I don't
all right, I am pure 95.7 Mandy. For you miss the show. Bring us on the miss the show. I'm with production. Now, Obi, and them say, you be but initially a man of Migaza Abigail go say manager.
Said so foreign news so
foreign news so bad
they are boys na say ya ward no. They say we protective for Abigail.
Oh, my son Abigail da makwa so
me say mini obi ni andi ya tell machine so say for more than 1 month enya invite to go to Australia that Abigail be 30
seconds obi invite to Australia say oh you know okay and the area above for no mo ba be di dey bre etie for of course you know who say me Adonko next level the premium energy drink over Christian Gutare there Andy Gutare there obi dey no one way obi so there Adonko next level.
Yeah, energy nini. Fantastic. Inti Adonko next level premium energy drink no and I make confirm say bomadi na unso sanka bia na wiai before say obefa lunch no je on next level actually na obone kama we alcohol free into obi abetimi anu bisa we sofo we malam imam obi a je na Adonko next level premium energy drink eno na komisi we runya bia energy no ejinam na say unso atimi aye adwuma kama anya asem keto akwa mo adwom ba bia adwum pz munyina Adonko next level premium energy drink no and one make am for them bia say bobode na unso nsenka bi na bobobi kama ukoba bia unsa be ka bi Samsung supermarket yo kwa wo se ope Adonko next level premium energy drink ni be no a na ye fa ne kama ne wi na ma cho se ope ka enso akoba bia kwa akodi djuma enkane na ne pia bonten na ye nam se ye peka ana se ubon se oto na wo fro bi da bi de say de Swift Wheels Adaroma and one is for mobile phone so we use Apple phone if you call App Store na wa download app ne kama Samsung na wo de Android we call Google Play Store no wetin download kama no do particulars no wa enter no sign up baby a wo bia no offer ka no aba o request baby a wo bia abo so aba no be fa kama ye cast ne do so enti baby a wo hye bia no wo fire acha ye be 2 minutes no aduro no be fa kama Swift you and I make am for them Samsung na wo ye driver na wo car na ne unso person be kan ho obetimi aba esansa niema unso sabe kan do so kwatru bia ye Samsung ma bonus 2 Ghana series enka fair na wo de kwa enu hu enti drivers nya no bia mfana ni nchem na sa unso atimi akọ na wakọ register bi Swift Wheels and I make am for them sa wo penche ma wo do na wa fresh numbers we 0322 498263 0322 498263 na oni mpedifo abon komo sanso and I make us Achia Master Footwear Darumenti and antia ne ayi achia kama na wachewe ye pa party se course so we a year course naming ceremony se course nem pabwa nipa dom eheba ya usho bi tumi se wo mpabwa ide gamo so ande nyamo na mo kan se yenkwa Achia Master Footwear na se anye kan na ukoi wose na man kwan kam mpabwa nie utumi sampa mpabwa ne ye gam papa gigim eno Achia Master Footwear wo ye oba open pabwa odi be pie open de odi be ko officer ni nyina Achia na okọ Samsung na mema open shoe papa open sneaker na slippers ni nyina no Achia Master Footwear mpabwa no of high quality na ne bo Samsung da from kan open kira kwan ye opatasi adwuna se kwan so na se bonso washing bay no na ye ni dia ne friend am mani se na oni Achia Master enin kom 0244 391140 0244391140 na ono matimi abonko Samsung na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services Afro Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services Dr. Grace Body Simen Kancho Sebra na nyarewa na dokro ho ema ye kwa untimi nkobi ye ka untimi nkabi no bra na ye ntu yare na semfama kama se stroke diabetes hypertension Samsung hepatitis A to E anasa typhoid fever malaria ulcer anasa okra ho skin otimi sampani maybe to 20 cell skin ni nyina ba ye to ase dem sanso na prostate cancer any prostate enlargement so be pmo Dr. Grace Bodu Asoya obebo akama wo ye bema na so nkwamo no form wo bema no esua opese ye kase a ni nyina Dr. Grace Bodu se bra na onye ne kama enfuma sanso na menua no ma no ahimfia onye na naba on sanso emabiem pepato Dr. Grace Bodu Asoya na wado ani kire na wasieso kama sebia ware formote moya awone ma sebia wo pentafo po ba pebema anas ahina Saudi bra Dr. Grace Bodu ebebo na awone so etime ye kama wodo ani be kirem Shumasi School Junction Bua Kwakufo Radio Bengal Filling Station wo Fred Doctor no pace here it was 0246 518003 0246 518003 na odina bonko Samsung na because Alaska Star Enterprise enso guso sian control bia Alaska Star Enterprise me ba to sawo timenka na original quality air wallpaper with the decorative office with the decorative bedroom sitting room and na favor bia studios ahodo no Alaska Star Enterprise na me kan for the mobia your wallpapers are fair ne bo Samsung da from ultra modern 3D wallpapers and yakofaba plain designs multicolor designs brick designs of high quality and I stand so affordable kama and one no akwajo de wo pay che kwan so kuma senko de Prudential Plaza ewadum ye ne Boss FM e de no he wo benya Alaska Star Enterprise number ni 0554 114878 0554 114878 na wakwajo de Hollard Insurance and so etayechi enado pay na Hollard for yan kancho bia so de bra na insure kama say opese insure fie opese bia oka na say business no bra na nye insurance ento so fama kama esan say obinim adasembeto what ya senti bra na nye bibia fama kama na no pese bia ope Hollard for chako watu mudiate na opo machi akwa me chow free furniture mu ewadum Stanbic Bank ho na say Chelsea House one ma no we be connect say Mr. Reese Mensa Daniel Sanem ranting fifi mo ye adwuma kama we be Hollard na onso atimi akwa akoboa na bibia so ya kama dia ma www.hollard.com.gh number ni 0202 080071 0202 080071 na one Hollard enso atimi atwetwe nkobo sanso ena maka to say Prophecy Scientific Herbal Clinic enso guso efro bia pa to say woto me say yare bi won ma enyakwa bibi de akire hohomboni e de akire ena ma ne yewsa ni nyina Prophecy Scientific Herbal Clinic ena me kan for them all say akoye masturbation and say gayism lesbianism oba wo say yonko ba no person ne netena sanso ena bema wo say yonko bema na no ye na kono ni nyina hohomboni ena yewsa no Prophecy Scientific Herbal Clinic wo bi so no sunsum ya ware no ni nyina tetew wo bi onum so tum say sabi dambo kakra bia shaste ana say bia odada ya wo so bia enye Prophecy Scientific Herbal Clinic ena me kan for them all na yakofa Prophecy Sima powder enso dia ba we say a diabetes woni no nya problem hepatitis B aware form tia woma ni nyina ebetumi to ase dem sanso na asthma etu ase satahwe enso de ma pepa to say utiemi Kumasi Girls SHS no wo main entrance ewa Brepo Highways wo benya Prophecy number ni 0208 187906 0208 187906 wonsa ebetumi akom na mo make us enche na schools enso bebie na pepa to ma me utiemi papa utiemi no fa oba no ekopiem ewa Angel Educational Complex Angel Educational Complex me free preschool edeco primary school junior high school na senior high school no into ba no before so bedu university no na wa pass it through Angel ranks ni nyina no so be you obi mapa na bibia so ye kama Angel Educational Complex and make conference the mobia oba nyama ye do on my de chankra no atmosphere serena eboa e ma de kire ene adesua enso timi konkan kama na onimisa oba no kwa Angel Educational Complex de tedie obetimi anya opportunity akọ field trips any excursions sanso na exchange air programs obano oto anes obeka to so omoko UK akwa de some pepe any Angel Educational Complex people to pick number na phrase here na bookie a sport fm obano 0246 61 0944 0246 61 0944 Angel Educational Complex and I make come for them mom we are bema na wotimi kadia mema doctor wo wi ase ba ko pe Dr. Amusu Herbal Clinic one any the pennies Dr. Amusu Herbal Clinic se me kan say bra say bia we bema wo de no weak erection wa de ntimi sorry and I say premature ejaculation bro from the ya na de nemum twi no se bema no bantem enya de pa emwa mema Dr. Amusu na make come for them we bema na obema ni so tie pɛ sɛ yɛtenten wopɛ sɛ ɛmu yɛ dura Dr. Amuzu Sebra ɔte ne tatahwe ɛnso deɛ ma sanso ɛna koko na afisisiare no ne nyina otu ase no ne so wɔ adwa so Amuzu garlic bitters ɛboa ma mogya na deɛ funisane Amuzu K herbal bitters ne nso bɛboa na ɔyɛ furiadeɛ no ɛtu ase Amuzu P herbal mixture no general body paste na afei Amuzu herbal mixture ɛtu malaria se kama sɛ wopɛ doctor ɛkyerɛ kwan a ɛyɛ Tafo Club 600 friends ɛsia 0247 77 0247 77 67 43 0247 77 67 43 unsabeka Dr. Tradewinds Chemist enso de no pa de abedwa so for pain tablet ɛyɛ yɛwɔ duro se bia wɔkyiri ka sɛ wutiri ne dwana se fever wunya tablet ne bi na wo mena no no ho ato enkoda no de ne ɛyɛ for pain syrup ɛboa na enkoda ya nyina se atimi atu ɛyɛ orange flavored ntia de enkoda nyina pɛ trouser tablet in suspension so sunsuno sɛ yɛ penwem hwepoem large runway na fe hookwem no wunya trouser tablet and suspension bia ɛno so boa na atimi anyam sunsun nyina de ma kama Radios Cop Syrup your Radios Baby Radios Junior Radios Adult ewadro wunya bia ɛboa sanso na code kata ebetu ase de ma ɛgya industrial area ye ben CC wokɔ ba bia to no bia wo banya enupa ne bi sanso na Agent Avenue Ventures enso eta ye chi anope na Agent Avenue Ventures ye kan tro bia wo pese ye POP installation ma ye betwa ne neat sanso na painting and designing ye be ne kama tiling ne nyina ye ne kama sanso na plumbing electrical works na fe aluminium glazing no ne nyina ode kodan Agent Avenue Ventures na ye ne kama pa enso de ma na wonim se Agent Avenue Ventures se ene se open dan ato ana se opesa wo ton wo dia fabra ne ye ton correct for sanso na wo pe bia to no ye ma obi o asase o ton ana se o pe bia timi ato a ye ma obi kama ye kira kwa no e wo Bokrom Estate airline friend 0243 661708 0243 661708 na onim penifo abonkomo blessing alata seminar anopay ene Monday morning seminar be na di jare on se wan kasa wo seminar u jare u di jare wi a na ho keka o e ma wo skin into ntoso ye koje blessing alata seminar ni bi esanse eno ana se de obi adi jare na broche fo toko what Ghana ene ye toja o ena da bia de seminar ni jare wi a na ho keka o koje blessing alata seminar ni bi we na dia lemon e wom sanso na shebata e ma skin no etoso na ha na bibia nso etime kama na wose enkan tro bia se wo ye wholesaler onum se within 2 weeks wo betimi clock around 6,000 to 7,500 within 2 weeks I on say yonwa blessing se bra sanso na wo ye retailer between 900 to 1,500 2 weeks onso onsabetimi aka ni nyina e blessing alata seminar friend number we se sia na onso kwaje de 0543 142 788 0543 142 788 na onso atimi akwa kwaje de kama na bibia so
blessing alata seminar and ewo pure drive
okay
with DJ Slim and obeche nyoma ewo so
okay
enti dwumadi aye die ni dwumadi aye di no pure FM nyina no se utia obeche busa ho nsem bi se bia one air foreign news or sports no so no boy bia na se sports crew ni nyina time and air sports no eno won se bia beche ntoma ye beche aye shower gels ye beche aye detergents nyoma ye beche no udia ko mobile phone ye beche bu ha enti ne on the drive and yasem ke chakra a blessing na sanso na unse ye ka unse ready vitamin C plus zinc yellow and orange pharmacy for Kakofaba the channel say vitamin C eno any zinc no and the one be pen
oh yes
no nya covid no eno and the na the channel say we no unse no na ka onya vitamin C na yasama zinc na ka ho ready no vitamin C plus zinc na nyoma eye no en number be change the tini unse testosterone zoom I boama be me result level be me bia also nya testosterone levels bia e boama timi bo adwuma unyi na o test levels na ekofom but when ebi wo muntie boost no e ma be mo timi apo adwuma yi because obe bo adwuma e ma timi bo adwuma yi ana vitamin C and zinc na ye dey read no the channel say obu ho so kruto na bed your one nkoi the immune system na weak we aboa sisi bibi twa wansi a na heal fast ana we dey boa so ne say obu ho ade bia no anya cold no anya flu kata onya read vitamin C na sade ni nyina be ko emba biem etim srow obi ampe bi e read ura pharmacy shop bia so pe read vitamin C plus zinc eno an oka read na ye ni kwa vitamin C and zinc preko eno an pharmacy shop bia no as be ho unse last week na ye nyansapo with friends
yeah
yes enti from China ye be nyansapo with our listeners to the channel say and then you may the number you better do. Among of us send your voice notes at your bow. Ode unya support. Na Jumadian so Cassima Dunum Simadunua near Beer Line, near the Omon Befreno. Na Abruche for no so ne Oma almost WhatsApp no as well send your voice notes about. Na Omunsa Yomunyan support. You be keeping as concise as possible. Na yina mwa. Ni nyina no Ghana Sports and you see ME ni nyina no an nyina yehwe. Andy, where we?
Chairman Achuma Rural Bank. Achuma Rural Bank. Achuma Rural Bank. Ene mo pebosiano. Me pato Achuma Rural Bank. Men ko baby e ma ye ma obosia e hunsi ho no. Na bosia kwa bra be bransa na ye dia ma ana afensi ho esa de ma no. Eye sika na kwaje any times 2 Achuma ntesa. Achuma Rural Bank entesa opese obebie current account ye be ye dia ma savings account ye ne kama dia ma ye no ye be sanso ama withdrawal book na afi no ye sanso e be ye nkoso su savings sanso dia ma kids account no o money that into ye bi fam mo na afi fixed deposit no ne nyina ye Achuma Rural Bank na make am for them na wo wi na waje Adonko original hand sanitizer no
Adonko virus bi ehun na you fum no okay. Enti and some no you be idea but some biba na you go see try the request check you be say baby that Samojan say kotokono $400,000
but in fact stories say still now we are trying but I mean we say bisa and buy and we say we there and yeah, possible because
$400,000 to play for Kotoko. Na Kotoko Africa no mo kobono Africa no Kotoko budget to say. Na Kotoko 400,000 na but 400,000. Obeja go for play every Tunisia na nyina ba.
Yeah.
I mean you have $400,000.
Yeah.
$100,000 be 6 billion. Times 4. Okay, 24
billion. Hey.
Minyini sasa mobesa
so bobusa za big
nesa so nye dan so bo Ghana football obi antimintia
bibi abeso Canada ten
obi antimintia
okay well Abi you be you force you be team force no ya wrap up oziemre no S1 sa nti Abigail so we the production bi Abi ozo we so enti na we no miensa but e be Arsenal ne Liverpool nim kakra Abi transfer obebo am ya hwem kakra ne Arsenal ehye a ye nyina ye hwe animu no enti wo di gusu na de gusu ye ba mesrew se ye diwa don't come and say anything to me say because mudia no mum maka hwentre mudia mum maka hwentre ti se ne ejigon a ma obi amaka hwe ananya no
no bia e we yi ase na abrantie baako ti se bonata so sa buna anam se aden se Juve na me se Juve
aden Romano
bibia ordinary bet bibia fa na Juve nya wango win for Juve na 690
and I say ayi nya record
Adrian Rabiot
by now Ronaldo quando huridi ajayo Ronaldo Chelsea Ronaldo but no bit ya sorry them omo he no obi bet so for the preach you no we win we draw we what is I want to do all right 0240929256 024092928384 momre ya fre na yen che ya dwemfa ensam no hello yes sir
that can come bodu
Kwagwaswadu
me watch out for the Kwagwaswadu in Katefri former Minister Dr. Richarana no cause on Katefri
go with you
and I pay more about Sonia Katanya good show with my Paudi no we never question Tagano I only come from Ghana we are seeing at the we are seeing Nigeria to be a moment so be paid no auto now they are born by Santi and quite some control sana next level no so that's why I do my brain on our coach my ban we have been able to I never know what they come on out to make an as what I called my more Dr. Quatin and the Bishop Fulling about what my palm the ball my Ghana you guys in you can make on Abu for Bataba so two pan Dr. Nayo Free you have just to two pan now they think that is for a complaint for the restaurant future ọmọdé mọ ọmọ nìyí náà pẹ̀lú fún ọmọdé sọ mbẹ́fà lọ́mọ àti mbí ayé ẹ̀dùnmá ṣẹ́dá mo ká sọ̀mbá tá ọmọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ no ana ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọmọ nso ẹ̀bùa náà ọmọ tìmí náà tó ànàmọ́ náà ọmọ kábò lọ́mọ jẹ́ òbí ayé nkyẹn sẹ́dá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ bẹ́ bùa amakọ̀dọ̀ kò yìí tí náà ti náà jẹ́ náà so league ní Africa ló kọ́ ní nyinaa no yẹn mu ẹnu máa ṣe ebi tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọmọdé ntabẹ́ àti ìyá ṣe bá wà.
Mr. Dasipi Gogwa Subedu, hello.
Ikiri.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is Yaboko.
Nyame adom ne mo mpa bo me ho ye pa.
Money fresh ni daban.
Hey, money fresh am po me de minya.
I'm not there mo pa bo ye.
But money fresh it you.
Dike me fa cho. We de ma me busa asamba ko. Kuntimi ya no a my doctors for me ya no my. I don't go next level. How many times now so to me within a week? Because I'm say boys ni ya abuse no. Into me sero mun cheche mun ye how many counts na bit man within the week and in the day mun cheche ni hu break down ye. Because they need them here no. Any place ni ye di agwe da na ya ko nya side effect.
The chance that be out me no bako. They be out no bako okay.
E dey out me no bako.
Out no bako ai.
E na ni pe wo. Won no papa.
The thing about the one thing about Adonko next level, no say any side effects be out here. And no name fruits ne sade man na yenti. They natural. Ntinya dia ekofa problem be ama odipediano. What you say?
Matiase. The person who say obi so am say chokota dey on stone na Chelsea keeper mend na emfa.
I say Mfana Mendilo.
Upon the first match we are because
all right, very fresh with Dasipi. Thanks so much for your call. Hello.
The only bright can come well.
Yes, Louis Nani.
Bright Chanu.
Louis Nani. I'm not doing no way apart.
Every idea, mobile Juma, and come on. I can't more kind of say, the better who you can't technical director, everything like the Juma saying.
On the head, the beer technical, so team grab for coach, because technical director and a designer the philosophy of the team, set him to say number from youth level, na Baby do so. It is a almost for player, no more for coach, technical director, and Obia or take. Mo philosophy ne sad na se a obetia fit in Ghana han nke ya matenga director ese obi asabe ye yi na die but tenga director ye coach ne boss what you say on the directing how the team should go.
Okay now kotoko obi
e ba cho debi
na le me on peso mo ti academy na nyama wi na ndi ye be se you see will say BBC
Yo FM
now peso now technical director also.
Well, Louis and me sure say go see you said okay wetie dwumadi no beti. Hello.
Boss.
Yes sir.
Right.
Yes sir.
Boss Patola and service hashtag.
Pato it.
Heavy. Boss heavy. Oh yes. So what I say. This time I can come Mr. Samoa. I was show pa na go see the UK. O Tom so Sweden. O me na show pa. Chabu, anapama bojuma na fedo sika no Ghana Sports any football nko so na yina yepe na obi what the sanitizer na fani trimu de
ai names on the for baby
Chabu say obi do ya advert do e do kra ma ya do kra gane obi so dia fa ho de
obi so azam
obi udi afa ho
baby
obi did the car of radio afa so we can use na get them no obi share pa because Chabu last time I didn't see wo fi on the dem no obi benanti o so party me you fi o
yeah so come out
now Chabu sa fi so be party
can want some
obi abedi who na wo ye sponsor nationwide including every presenter sport Chabu oh yeah heavy what is that your very heavy Chabu yen kind of cray I don't know your program many day on say I don't know if it's a pastor me say na can come bodu mo cancer fast Ashton Park and one am say yes yedika because can come a sports presenter one can some transfer can come if that dem na nyamwa Ashton Park and then can say no come from the team mo born 5 aside bi o it's the same before and you can come body to one you be microphone man no kasa na ene de say can no kwan ke bi anka ba bonyo because you say no the instrument bo na bo wa so na nza say you be njo nkwa sorry so on and we jaibo it's the same before tamote ono
Kawasam
ate
any man to us. If you ever said a pretty photo, can come on say you friend my and I stand boy and no bad stand while I on money or woman on bubble. It's only a year glass could tell. Glass and quan and a glass number. Yeah, Benham, I keep packing and yeah, Benham. Why? It's a summer boy.
I want to park in Timbanum.
I'm also much parking to Benham.
Oh, let me say Munyabutre. Why? Munyabutre, you go so your name penny for Kamamon Mamon num Saz and Numqua Debbie. Or the yeah, some chair park Ramamo. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Because your friend Opambo, the Casa Free Tafo.
Opambo, Minya Yitio.
No more kinds of say, and that's 2 your former, I just say, your Joe Musca and Sana, you don't move under 17. That is them pay for years.
Oh, Missy, and now June 1 won't tell you Opambo.
Oh, because you were Madame for Bubu, Tapuan, Moya, and that's 17, and the 17 don't call. Never make say about 20,000 Ghana and that's 17.
Oh. Well, only Oma Minibia.
Linia boy, many working. And I'm saying to Captain, you did to know. And can funny say, won't come down, or man financing. I'm almost drop on the delivery. Madame for burning to meet you, the man is to church, I do man, Sana, meet me, Afano.
Ayara Hosem, Obambo Medasipi, Yenina, receive it, change the status quo. Hello.
Hello, Chamu.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Chamu Patrick. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.